Conquering run-on sentences. Harness the power of periods. Hello, language explorers. Welcome to another exciting lesson on mastering English grammar. Today we're focusing on one critical part of sentence structure: run-on sentences. More specifically, we're going to explore how we can use periods to correct these run-on sentences and improve our writing clarity. So, grab your notebook and let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of using periods, it's crucial we fully understand what run-on sentences are. A run-on sentence occurs when two or more independent clauses that can stand on their own as sentences, are joined without the correct punctuation or conjunction. These can make your writing confusing and hard to read. For example, I love to read books. I have a large collection. This sentence is a run-on because it contains two independent clauses. I love to read books, and I have a large collection. Now, let's explore how to use periods to fix these run-on sentences. The period is one of the simplest and most effective tools in English punctuation. It signifies the end of a sentence, and that's exactly how we're going to use it. Let's revisit our previous example. I love to read books. I have a large collection. Voila! The run-on sentence has been fixed using a period. The two independent clauses are now two complete, clear sentences. Let's try some more examples to ensure you've got the hang of it. 1. Original. My sister loves to dance. She takes lessons every weekend. Corrected. My sister loves to dance. She takes lessons every weekend. 2. Original. I can't find my keys. I'm worried I lost them. Corrected. I can't find my keys. I'm worried I lost them. Remember, the key is to identify the separate thoughts or ideas in your sentence, and then use a period to separate them into distinct sentences. And that wraps up our lesson on using periods to correct run-on sentences. With a little practice, you'll be able to quickly spot and correct these in your own writing, making your sentences clearer and easier to understand. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember, every period is a new beginning in your writing journey. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Until then, happy learning and happy writing.